Good afternoon, what's your name?
Good afternoon, ma'am. My name is Rusa from Hageke High School, grade 11.
Can you share with me how was your art experience?
It was really splendid, yeah, and so marvelous. I enjoyed it.
Okay, so if we had more art supplies and if we would actually give them to you, would you do art in your free time?
Definitely yes. I need to do it since I express my feelings on the paper, so I have to do it.
You would do it.
I
Okay,
will do it.
can you tell me what your dream job is?
My dream job is just to be a teacher. That's all. And okay, I have two options: either a teacher or a businesswoman. But the best thing is being a teacher.
Being a teacher.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, thank you so much for spending some time with us and doing art. I hope it's not the last time I see your face doing some art.
Yeah, ma'am. Thank you so much.